Hello YouTube, Dion from Andex Tech with the unboxing of this 2.1 speaker system from HP. Full name HP 2.1 Speaker System S7000. That, as you can see, comes with a subwoofer. Now this speaker system might not be the cheapest one, but the specs, as you can see, okay, this is a really tiny font here. Okay, here are the specs. As you can see, this is a quite nice speaker system to connect with your mobile devices and PC. And don't forget to mention that this only connects with a 3.5mm audio jack. Here we have all the important information in different languages. So let's go and open this box and check up closely this speaker system. I forgot to mention that this is the white version. There is also a black version of the speakers in order to match it with your rest of your system and your aesthetic appeal. So here we have it. Now let's open this box. Well, this is really tightly closed. So okay, we have to make some sacrifices here. And okay, there we go. So it opens like it's so. We have, okay, another flip of this cardboard here. Okay, here is protective foam, really nice packaging, and some spacing. Really nice thoughts for not damaging the product inside the box. And here we have a lot of manuals and warranties and information brochures concerning the product. You can see here they are written in various languages. And we also have the technical specification for this type of speakers, and more yet to come. We also have another one. I guess this is the manual. No, this is not the one. It just have more legal stuff that no one is going to read. Okay, here we have the brochure with the connection of these speakers, and we have also the design of how it can be connected to your wall plug or your PC. Okay, finally we have the meat and potatoes of this unboxing, the S7000 speakers. Now first let's check the box. This one seems to have the wall plug. Okay, there is an extra part here. I guess it's for US or UK plugs. This is a thumbs up from me, because you don't need any adapter. Once you buy these speakers, you are not locked at any region of the world. You just plug the required adapter and power on the speakers. And here we have another one. I am not quite sure what type of this one is, but it's okay by me. This is a universal product, so you won't have any problem. And here we have the power brick. Here we have the speakers plug and a fairly long cable that makes me really happy. And now the adapter seems to lock on the power brick with a special mechanism. Just for demonstration reasons, I'll plug it with a European one. It snaps to place like it's so, and it's ready to go. Now let's check out the speakers. We have two satellites and one subwoofer. This by itself makes it even better than a 2.0 system for bass. So let's open one of the speakers and check it out closely. Now this is a really tight sealed plastic here. There we go. I have to say that this looks really elegant. There is a metallic grill here, 4 rubberized feet on the bottom, and the rest of it's just plastic. And the cable seems to add to an audio jack connector that has to be connected with the other speaker and the woofer. Now again, the cable seems to be fairly long, which is quite nice. If you check it closely, you can see it can reach from the one side of your table to the other, I guess, or perhaps on a bookshelf if you want to keep your table clean and plain. And now let's open up the other speaker that has also the volume rocker and the connection with the subwoofer and your PC.
See you peelings later.
Okay, back again to the speaker with all the connection ports. This one has the same metallic grill. We have the 3.5mm audio jack for your PC, and again a very long cable. We have also a power indicator here for rubberized feet, and what seems a volume rocker for the bass, and also the standard volume rocker that doubles as the on-off switch. Connection wise, we have a lot of ports here, starting with the power connector that you can plug in like it's so. We also have connector for the left speaker, the bass, and an earphone plug. Now last but not least is the subwoofer. This one is the heaviest one and the biggest from all the speakers. We have just to unpack it like it's so. You see there are also here some rubberized feet. It's a full plastic build. Now the subwoofer houses a 4-inch driver for the bass that will check closely once I get it off the box. Now on top of it we have a really elegant HP logo, and the driver that's housed inside the subwoofer is a downward heating one. It is connected with this audio jack with your main speakers, and as you can see there are some thick rubberized feet so that the bass will be firm on the surface you are letting it stand. The housing is plastic, but the curves give a really nice visual effect. This was the unboxing of the HP S7000 speakers fitting your PC or Mac with their elegant design. Now feel free to subscribe, like, don't forget to ring the bell to get notified for our videos, and as always from M.A.D Tech, thank you for watching.